Hello everyone, it's your boy Rico the Best, and if you notice there is a box behind me, and in that box there is a Homall gaming chair in which I'm going to be doing an unboxing on, so stay with me. Alright, so if you notice I have this box on a towel and also another box because this box is dirty and I don't need it on my carpet. So let's take a look and see what we have inside this box. So far we have the legs for the chair. We have a cushion here which would be for your back support. We have a arm here. We have the back of the chair, another arm, and then we have the seat part of the chair, and we have a headrest cushion, and we have two boxes inside the box, most likely with the tools or screws, nut and bolts that you're going to need to assemble the chair. So I'm going to get this out of my way. There you have it, guys. This is the finished product of the Homall chair. I haven't installed these as yet. This one's supposed to be right here, and this one be up top, as you can see all around, but I took it off. I think the chair look a lot sexier like this. It's so comfortable. So whenever you finish gaming or using a computer, you could take a sleep. I almost fell back. Feel like I'm in a racing car. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you do, feel free to like it, share it, comment and subscribe, and I'll be putting a link below in this video so you could go ahead and purchase your Homall gaming chair. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.